What's going on, everyone? It's about 5:30 in the morning. I'm sitting out here waiting for my buddy Randy to get here with the truck and trailer. This morning we're going to head to Texas, just about 2.5 hours from here, and pick up an international Travelall. The Travelall is something I'm interested in building into a family hauler for me, something I can make nice the kids like to ride in. So he'll get here, we'll load up a couple things, and we'll hit the road and head that way. Of course, the other day when I go to unload it, the camera had to die. So me and Randy got that thing unloaded. A couple days later, I opened up the doors and the hood and everything on it, and I pressure washed that thing top to bottom, inside out, and it cleaned up pretty good. So y'all check it out.
There's so much room in this thing, it's ridiculous. We had a pretty good trip. Everything went nice and smooth. Got down there. That guy had a real cool International LS swapped. I woke up with a really good idea for this thing on how I want to build it, how I want to build a Travelall, and I'm definitely going to build one. But when I start thinking about everything, how I want to build it, the amount of money it's going to cost, I'm going to drive it for at least the next 7 years till KK's out of high school. So I want to be in love with the Travelall I do build, and this one's not it. I've been holding out on spending the money on the one I found, and I've been wanting, and I think I'm finally going to bite the bullet. I'm still glad I went and picked this one up, because getting to see it in person and kind of go through it like I did, it set in stone the idea I have for how I want to build one, and it's definitely going to happen. I just don't think that this is the one I need to do it to. So this one's actually up for sale. I did get it running, just cleaned up the ignition system on it, new points condenser coil, cleaned up the plugs, ran the wire to the coil, and I was able to get it fired up. And then there's just a little bit of trans fluid on the dipstick, so I added some, and this thing actually popped into gear, and we rolled forward, and I popped it in neutral, come to a stop, and kicked it in reverse and rolled back some, and then I killed it. The brakes are locked up, the water pump's locked up, it needs a clean fuel system, so I wasn't trying to do nothing crazy. I just wanted to see if the motor and trans would function, and it will. So I've got it up for sale now on Craigslist, on Facebook and everything, and I've got a couple interested people, so I'll see if I can't get this thing sold. And I'm excited to show y'all the Travelall I'm gonna build, because it's so much cooler to me. I don't know why, but the patina of it's perfect. I love the color of it. It is a little bit newer than this one, so the grill's different, which I'm more of a fan of this grill than I am that one, but the trim on them I think are so much cooler, so there's a lot more pluses to that one. Anyways, y'all can hop over on Instagram, follow me at Puddins Fab Shop. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. Go check out some of my other videos, and y'all definitely need to come back so y'all can check out the Travelall that I'm actually going to end up building. And we'll see y'all next time.